Hi, Michelle. How you doing? So yeah, this is a very, very challenging assignment to say the least. And I think a lot of it, the success of this assignment really has to do with the image you choose and how it's prepared. I think this is a pretty recognizable image. I think this is perfect for this assignment. And I think the way that you've prepared it is also a wonderful representation, or it's headed in definitely in the right direction because we only have a few tonal variations to work with, and I think we can easily fit typography into these tonal variations in order to recreate these layers of depth and dimension typographically. Okay, my first suggestion is this: crop this image to something like this. Crop this image to something like this. So it's only his upper shoulders, maybe his neck area. Do not try it all this. It's just too much. It's going to be too difficult. Use just the head area. That way you can concentrate. And my other suggestion is also use just shades of gray, black, white, shades of gray in your type. And really try, like down here, you're starting to really start to manipulate this type to start to represent this curvature in this area of his face. What I want you to do is take that a step further. And I want you to use type to represent, like this right here, fit a word in there. I see how you fit musician in there, but then you have reused that would be fit right in there, right? And then surfer, right? But I really want you to fill those areas in, all of them. You've started wonderfully here, but do so with great shades of gray. Black, white, and shades of gray, okay? You're just gonna really have so much less, there's gonna be so much less for you to see. Even even though you're only using 3 colors here, you're gonna see so much less with sans color and just working with the letter forms in the shape of the face and trying to manipulate these letter forms to represent the depth and the shape of Jack's face, okay? Do you see what I'm saying? I'm gonna, of course, this is the example I'm using. This is the John Lennon. If you want to find this image, just do type John Lennon typographic portrait. And I think this is one of the best ones that we've really ever have seen. I'm gonna drop that on my desktop real quick so we can see. Yeah, this is the wonderful thing about this is the way that this depth and this protrusion of the cheek and the nose are really, and the top of the hair, the head, glasses, really chin, really capturing this, the specular highlights from the light in the room as this portrait represents. The light source would be coming from up here, as we can see light reflecting from his nose with the use of type right there, the glasses with the use of type, and building type on top of type and really starting to develop these wonderful levels of intricacy, wonderful levels of depth and dimension, as it were. Okay, so I'm saying try to work in black and white and gray, see what you can come up with. I'm saying you're doing a really nice job, so just keep doing what you're doing, and you're looking pretty awesome. All right, any questions, get with me. All right, thanks, Michelle.